Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. We are in a very intense period, to be honest, and it will take for 1 year. So until next year, September 2024. So we have a lot of inputs, energetic inputs, and which means that it's like the awareness that is going so fast. People are waking up. It's really speed, and it's speeding up more and more, and it's gonna be more chaotic. So one of the things what is very important is that we are not anymore aware of what is happening in nature, but nature is doing a lot of things now. So it's very important to go back to nature and stop watching too much videos, because now it's limitless. You open your screen and every time there's something that is so beautiful or so mind-blowing, you want to know it all now, because your awareness is going open, your curiosity is getting you will be more and more curious. You will be having more and more questions. The more you know, the more you want to know, and you are on that roller coaster. While we are on a roller coaster, it's very important to center ourselves and go back to nature and see what happens in nature. This is the most important message that I have to say for now. And also, relationships are shifting now. Many relationships that were more than 20 years or longer than 20 years, they change. Every relationship now is changing in one way or another, because we are awakening, and we as beings, sometimes we awaken, we will not awaken at the same time. So be aware of that, and always make sure that your vibrations are high, that you are in love and gratitude, in joy, in compassion, and peace also. So you need to take your own responsibility to keep that balance and keep that vibration up. So I wish you a very nice period, because it's full of potential. So every time when you say, oh, I want to do that, I really want to do that, but I don't have time, make time for it, because it's very important. Thank you for listening, and hope to see you next month. Bye-bye.